Give Auntie some paper.
I need some paper.
Hi, babies. You gonna try to open this?
Oh,
so much
boy.
like Kelly. Annie.
Yep.
Profile.
He's handing out the gifts, huh?
Landon.
Ooh, what's in there?
Rip it up. Come on, honey.
That's for Landon.
Landon. Come on.
I'll get to it when I get to it. Oh, there's more paper.
I'm not going to get any. I need some paper. You are so sweet. Yes, you are. Well, next year I'm going to get you a bag of paper. And some empty boxes, and you'll just have a ball, I bet you. Oh, my goodness, that's heavy. You got the grandma. Oh, my goodness.
Thank you. Later.
Paper?
Here. Look, here's more paper. There you go.
What was that?
Woo! Here, Landon. Take off more. There you go.
There you go. Put it away.
All right. Oh, now you see it. Another silly.
Yeah. Now you got to.
Right.
Hey, I was hoping it would be a different kind. I was like, oh, won't that be funny if it's the same kind?
Same one.
No, it's different.
All right.
I don't know where his is right now.
Oh, that's like the kind you used to have. I remember that voice. Yellow, 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 red, red.
Oh.
VTech. Oh, talk to you, Landon. There.
Talking phone. Oh, my goodness.
Oh.
Yeah, there it is. Can you get it, Mom?
The way they wrap them things in here.
I
Yeah.
Landon. When Nana's getting this, do you want to open this?
Wrapping it over again. Girl.
Wrap it up. Unwrap it. Here, sweetie. You just don't want to fight for it, do you? What is it?
Too young for even him. I don't know. Gotta push the bottom.
Oh, this thing.
Push the top. Push it. Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
Right.
Yay!
Oh, these are fun.
Yeah, I know how to do this.
Yay!
Round and around.
Oh, Landon.